So you've probably seen the title and you already know what this is about. But let me just open this up, and every single one of these, every single one, yep, these are original colored ones from 1949. That's not even all of them. That's most of the blue ones I got. Not only did I get that, but I also got this, a whole album full. Blue, 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 blue. Here's some of the more rare green ones, greenish ones. Red seems to be the most common one. Anyways, they're all from 1949, and well, I began thinking to myself, is it possible to clean these up right, and then play them on my record player, put them into Audacity, and make the music sound like it's brand new? Like, you know, it's the same music, but it sounds just like when it was made, not with any other cracks, pops, snaps, all that stuff. That's going to be a challenge because there's only so much I can do in terms of cleaning the discs. So, most of the work is going to have to be done with Audacity. Isn't that going to be fun? I'll let you guys, I'll update you guys if there's any hope in doing this, but for some reason I don't think so.